ahabwo kugira ngo abazira bakazi nubo bakuba bino umwuga gwo kuzara no kukuza abana omuhereza wa Ruhanga kandi urwebembera obuhereza bwa Kiswahili Full Gospel Church mu Rurembo Mbara Apostle Abel Katambara yahabura abamama bihanga ubutosho kugumana bahabura abana babo muhando gwishikere
avuga biburi tugira mumanyizo umwana wa umuhanda ugwari tora akiri muto ngwa uko kwari kura tarugureka kandi abanyankore bacefumu ngwakati bakinika kakiri kabisi avuga bakinika kakagangire akahende kaningana harga mu bindi bizo mbeno ba mama mureberera abana avuga niye kayanyo cyangwa mwabira baguruse n'abakikuru.
Apostle Abel Katambara yagambe bo yabana yebembera mo kushaba hakanisa ya Kiswahili Full Gospel Church mu Rurembo Mbara obu yaba yebembiro kushaba serizuba.
Bible negira ngo what is the Bible say? Ngona bayiswe those which are called hena barahango kwi good is the plan of God. Everything that happens works together for their good.
Omukushaba kwerizuba hari Kiswahili Full Gospel Church ahabakazi abarukushabiramo baho bujurizi kandi basima Ruhanga ahabwe byabarabizemo okusiyobona kobo
ungani imbera Ruhanga bujurizi nayo barukukizogo mwana kutkumara bito turengwe byitu byakira bishamwe mutera Ruhanga mu ngaro mutera mu ngaro
isima Ruhanga abo mwana ubwo.
I thank God for my boy.
Many
of you know how he came.
The
boy alone would take 7 months, but he would not get satisfied. He had no backbone. Everyone was stood with me, and the church, and the pastor. He has helped me a lot. So I thank God for everything. I thank God for my very life.
Ekiro cyaba mama nikikuza ubwo munsi yona nko muringo gumwe ogo kwereza bakazi kitinisa ahabwe bari kurabamo ngo kuzarana no kuzabana.